Ever felt your heart race, palm sweat? That's ancient fear still alive inside you. From saber-toothed tigers to deadlines, fear has always been our primal alarm system. It's not just a feeling, it's a deeply wired survival instinct, honed over millions of years. Imagine early humans, constantly vigilant. Survival depended on quickly sensing danger. A rustle in the grass, a shadow in the dark. These were immediate threats. Fear triggered the fight or flight response, pumping adrenaline for instant action. Heart rate soared, senses sharpened, the body prepared to either confront or escape. This instantaneous reaction was critical. Hesitation meant becoming prey. Fear taught us caution. It kept us from dangerous cliffs and poisonous berries. Those who felt fear survived to pass on their genes. Fear became imprinted. This ancient wiring still dictates many of our involuntary reactions today. Consider your immediate jump when startled by a loud, unexpected noise. That's not logic, it's your primitive brain screaming threat. The amygdala, deep within your temporal lobe, is the brain's fear hub. It's a tiny almond-shaped structure, but it processes fear faster than conscious thought. Information from your senses goes directly to the amygdala, bypassing the thinking brain. This low-road response means you react before you even know why. Later, the high road involves the prefrontal cortex, bringing logic and context. It evaluates the threat. Is that really a snake or just a stick? This interplay between primal instinct and rational thought shapes all our fears. Consider our innate fear of snakes and spiders. It's called ophidiophobia and arachnophobia. Early humans encountered venomous creatures regularly. This fear was crucial for survival. Even now, in safe modern homes, these images can trigger intense reactions. Fear of heights, acrophobia, is another evolutionary hand-me-down, avoiding falls. Falling meant injury or death. Our brains developed an aversion to steep drops. Fear of the dark, nyctophobia. Predators lurked in shadows, hidden from sight. Our eyes struggle in low light, making us vulnerable. Darkness equals uncertainty. Fear of strangers, xenophobia. In tribal times, outsiders often meant threat. Unfamiliar faces could signal disease, attack, or competition for resources. This innate caution makes us wary of new people, even in safe modern settings. What about social fears? The fear of public speaking, for instance. Being judged, humiliated, or rejected meant potential expulsion from the tribe. And tribal expulsion was a death sentence in the ancient world. So our fear of social scrutiny is deeply rooted in survival. This explains why a simple awkward moment can feel like an existential crisis. Our brains react as if our very existence is threatened by a bad presentation. Now, let's talk about modern anxieties. They often hijack these ancient fear circuits. Take financial insecurity. Our brains interpret it as a threat to resources. Like our ancestors guarding their hunting grounds, we guard our jobs and savings. The fear of missing out is a modern form of tribal exclusion. If you're not part of the group, your chances of survival were historically lower. Social media amplifies this fear, constantly showing us what we're missing. The constant barrage of news and information, our brains interpret it as threats. Natural disasters, global conflicts, economic downturns all trigger deep-seated anxieties. Our bodies respond as if a predator is chasing us, even when it's just a headline. This chronic activation of the fear response takes a toll on our health. Anxiety disorders are a consequence of this ancient system being constantly overstimulated. Our brains aren't designed for a world with endless, abstract threats. They still anticipate a physical danger, triggering physical symptoms. Understanding the evolutionary roots of our fears is the first step. Recognize that your brain is just trying to protect you in an old-fashioned way. When fear strikes, ask yourself, is this a saber-toothed tiger or a false alarm? Mindfulness can help. Observe your fear without judgment. Breathing exercises calm the nervous system, signaling safety to your amygdala. Challenge your thoughts. Are they facts or just fearful ancient assumptions? Exposure therapy, gradually facing fears, helps rewrite the brain's danger signals. Social connection strengthens our sense of security, combating isolation fears. Exercise releases endorphins, natural mood boosters that reduce anxiety. Sleep deprivation heightens fear responses. Prioritize rest for a calmer mind. Nutrition plays a role too. A healthy gut can influence mood and anxiety levels. Seek professional help if fear becomes debilitating. You don't have to face it alone. Our ancient fear system is a gift, but it needs modern management. We can learn to interpret its signals, rather than be controlled by them. The past informs the present. Our ancestors' struggles shaped our neural pathways. From surviving a predator attack to navigating social media, the core mechanism remains. Understanding this gives us power. We can reframe our reactions. It's not about eliminating fear, but about mastering its ancient language. We're not just bundles of reactive instincts. We have agency. Embrace the facts. Your fear is a legacy, not a weakness. It's a testament to your lineage of survivors, ingrained in your very being. So next time anxiety strikes, remember its incredible ancient story. It's more than just a feeling. It's a window into human evolution. From the savannas to the smartphone, fear adapts, and so can we. Our environment changed, but our brain's core programming remains. We now face paper tigers instead of real ones, but the roar feels just as real. Understanding this disconnect is key to modern stress. It allows us to differentiate between perceived threats and actual dangers. We can rewire our responses through conscious effort and practice. Therapy, and self-awareness. We evolve not just genetically, but also through our capacity for learning. This learning helps us override our automatic ancient fear triggers. Our brain's plasticity means we aren't stuck with old fears. We can build new neural pathways, creating healthier coping mechanisms. It's empowering to know your anxiety isn't random. It's a historical echo. Guiding you. By understanding the roots, we gain control over the branches of our anxiety. This knowledge is a superpower in navigating our complex modern world. So embrace your fear. Learn from it. Then it's your evolutionary heritage. Now your conscious choice to shape. From ancient savannas to modern anxieties is incredible. Connection between our past and present selves. Your racing heart now might be a distant echo of a predator's growl. And your social unease, a memory of tribal belonging. These facts unique about fear are not meant to scare you. Rather, to empower you with insight into your own incredible biology. Every time you feel fear, you are connected to a primal, powerful legacy. Your ancestors to survive. But the threats have changed, requiring a new approach. Our intellect allows us to override, or at least mediate, those ancient impulses when it comes to understanding ourselves. So embrace the fascinating reality of your fear. It's a testament to the enduring miracle of human survival. And a powerful reminder of how far we've come. Now armed with this knowledge, you can approach your anxieties differently. Recognize the echo and respond with wisdom, not just instinct. This isn't about ignoring fear. It's about intelligent engagement. Turning ancient biology into modern psychological strength. What ancient instinct do you think most affects your daily life today? Think about how your body reacts to emails, traffic, or a crowded room. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's discuss